C'est Karim, yeah?
Yes.
The name is Karim, is from Turkey, Makkari. Il fabriquait la bougie de préchauffage. جالية باش يبروبوزي لي لا بوجي دو بريشوفاج، قلت له هاي نقصرو ونشوفوا شكون يخدم البوجي دو بريشوفاج، حنايا الجزائر خير ولا لا تركي خير؟ قلت له هاي نبداو نقصرو، هو انجينيور حنقصرو، اوكي؟ It will be in English، راح تكون بالانجلي اللي بعض يفهم ولا ما كاش دير ترجمة، واش عليه؟ صح، اوكي. We will start.
Yes.
How you produce a glow pack? Can I see?
Of course you can see.
I will tell you, I will tell you, and you tell me if it's correct or not.
Okay.
Right? Okay. We start having the tube
With 3 meter length, right?
with 3 metal. We buy it from Switzerland.
Switzerland. Okay.
The best supplier or not?
Not best supplier.
Who is the best supplier?
In Germany.
No, the best supplier is in Switzerland. We buy both of them from Switzerland and Germany. And Switzerland is the best supplier. I will tell you why.
Okay.
Can you tell me why the Switzerland is expensive than the German product?
I don't know, maybe because of the shipping cost or not, I don't know, but in Germany supplier is the best for
The tube.
supply for the tube in the market.
I will tell you why it's expensive, because the ones who start first is Bougie, and they buy it from Switzerland is the first one, and Schuller from Germany, who I know very
Yes.
well. Is
Yes.
this the supplier? Yeah.
In Germany?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
yes.
and from Switzerland is that. Can you tell me the name?
In Switzerland,
Yeah.
ZM,
Zedem.
ZM, ZN,
ZM.
yes,
Yes. Is the supplier.
yes.
I know both of them. I know the quality of both of them.
I also know both of them.
Okay, the two. We buy the two. Okay? Then we make it. I will tell you the process and you tell me if it's correct or not.
Oh, of course.
Okay. Then you buy it cut it. Or you cut it by yourself.
We cut it by ourselves.
Okay, we cut the small size, the thin one, and the bigger one we buy it already cut.
Okay.
57 millimeters, the size.
57. Okay.
Okay. Then we took it to the machine to make this curving.
Yes. The first
By
curving.
by the best machine we have, best German machine we have, and if you could tell me the name, I will appreciate it.
Really?
Yeah.
HMP.
HMP.
Yes. Could it be?
Baumüller.
Yes. I think same factory in
Yes.
Germany.
Yes. It's the best machine. It's the one we have.
Okay. Once we have two, but you can continue. Yes.
This is the fast one.
Fastest and the most calibration one.
Yes, the fast one and the calibration. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is the resistance inside. The material is made from wood. I give you the name or the address. I give you the address where we get it from, and you tell me the name of the place.
Actually, I cannot confirm the thread of the inside.
Yeah.
Because it's a secret information between my company and the
The other
company.
company. But we make it. We can make it for you if you want. we make it the best. I can show you here. You see, I can show you here. You can see it in the TV how we make it. We take the coil.
You take the coil?
Yeah, the coil.
Yes.
See? And we make it the resistance.
Yes, we also make it. Same
Yes.
with you. You take your coil from where?
I give you the address and you tell me the name. From Hanau in Germany.
No, I don't know this company.
It's the best.
For you, yes, it can be.
No,
the best.
it's the best.
Okay.
You know what I'm telling you is the best? You know what?
I don't know.
I tell you. Because where build the Bougie buy, we buy.
You have double coil?
Double coil, surely. We welded
the material of the
no
float wire and back wire?
the one from France and the second from Germany. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. I know. I told you I'm the best. I told you. Yes or not? Just tell me. Okay. We welded. How we welded?
Sorry?
How we welded two coils?
For my company, it's a secret information I know, but I
I can't
cannot
discuss
give
the
you.
secret. You see it here on the TV. Here we have it.
We are welding. We are
Welding it with laser. We weld it with laser.
But
Yes.
how can we produce this product without welding? It's
Yes, laser. We weld it by laser.
We are coiling the front coil
Yeah.
and back coil separately, and we are welding.
Then we weld it with the two.
with argon welding, of course. How can?
Yeah, we weld it by the
Yes.
Okay. This is the.
This is how you produce the body of the glove. Because I saw your bodies in your stand. Maybe your workers bring us a few samples.
Yeah.
But
The quality.
the quality is not looking so good. And
Yes.
I thought you were buying from your glove plugs in Diedax plant from Taiwan or China.
No. We produce here. We produce everything. We produce the body. We produce the gasket.
Yeah.
We produce the terminal. We put them on.
Okay.
This one we use it. We bought it. We have two kind of machines. Surely you're not producing it. The body.
Of course we are producing the body.
How you produce it? Okay, I tell you what.
Can you see this
Yes.
machines?
Yes, we have
10
it.
We have 10 from them.
The CNC machines.
Yes.
So we have another machine who is very fast that we use.
What kind of?
Multi-spindle.
Sorry?
Multi-spindle machine.
Multi-spindle. What is the differences between?
Because this one has one spindle and the ones we have 8 spindle.
Maybe my main language is not
Okay.
English. I couldn't understand
No,
it.
just
But
multi-spindle, I'll
if
tell
all
you.
of the world
Wait,
has,
wait, just tell you. Are you getting angry?
No,
We're just
no,
laughing.
You're my friend. You're my friend. Okay.
I just have a joke.
Yes.
This is CNC one spindle. This is one spindle. Spindle
Yes.
means he take only one bar and he thread and he just one bar because this comes here and then he works by one pieces in one time.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Rather.
One piece is one time.
One
piece
bar,
is
one
gun
bar.
and tray.
This is push. This is who's pushing the bar. This is the ones who carry. You carry the bars inside. This one you put them inside, and this one take one bar and start manufacturing. Okay, ours take 6. They call it, the machine call it multi-spindle. Just go internet and look at it. Multi-spindle manufacturing body. It's very fast. The time to make body like that is 13 seconds.
Turn
1, 3.
3 seconds for one piece.
Yes.
In our machines, it's 30 seconds
30
for one body.
Yes. Yes. This is why the multi-spindle is faster.
How much multi-spindle machines you have in your factory?
We have one.
You have one?
Yes.
Yes, we have 10 of them.
Yes, okay. You can have 10 of them or the one you can make faster. Okay?
Okay.
Ask me another question. The gasket we make it. We have the injection plastic. We make it from aluminum, and we have all the sizes we make it.
We have also injection machines. We have our
Stamp aluminium, and is faster.
yeah. It could be.
Before the price of the aluminium get high. So this is one. Now, resistance. How you feel it inside? And which material?
I
Secret?
I can't.
I can tell.
You can tell, but I can't.
No,
I'm
that's
sorry.
the only way. They fill it with magnesium. Correct or not? Just say
Correct,
yes.
correct, yes.
Okay. They fill it with magnesium. They sell it with ring inside. Yeah. The best machine is from Icam, Italy. Yes. I'm the father of it. I'll tell you one thing and just please, we did agree to be honest to each other.
Yes.
Okay.
you're right.
How many Icam assembling can assemble by day? The resistance.
Sorry, I don't understand.
How many resistance you can fill up with the magnesium and you seal it with the stick inside and finish it. How many by day? By shift?
By
one
shift
shift.
or day?
By shift.
Because we
I tell you how many, and you tell me if it's too much or if I'm telling something wrong. We make 6,000 by shift.
6,000
Yeah.
by shift. It's normal.
Okay, it's the best machine. We have 6,000 by shift.
For one machine,
One machine
it's
from
actually
Italy.
we are doing 3,000
Yeah.
for one shift, but we have 6 different kind of that
We have
machines.
only
so
one machine with I think
you are
we have
producing everything: brake pads, filter.
yes
or
we have
may-
but
may-
this is the best product.
glow plug.
Yeah. You know what? Because I tell you what, you know what? Because I developed so many, you know, I've been behind Barry for many years, waiting. When he come up with one glow plug, I worked day and night and he developed it. And I developed it and I made successful.
Congratulations. Really,
I passed.
my all respect with you because producing this product is very hard. I know because having this machine is very hard. You cannot. Sometimes you may have problems with calibration, with producing body, with how can I say the coil inside, the true magnesium inside. You need to find everywhere all over the world. You are looking for some raw materials every year, and congratulations for
It's really hard.
yes, it's
You
really
know why
hard.
I'm talking like that? Because it's very hard. Because I passed nights. I did
Me too.
believe
Believe me, me too.
And listen, I did make, tell you, I made very good local. And if I tell you I made it better than Bougie, of course you will not believe me.
I can believe it too because I know the Belarus glow plug, Bougie glow plug. I
Can you
know
tell,
that.
can you talk to somebody that this guy here is making local better than Bougie? No, nobody will believe.
Nobody won't believe. I know. Nobody believes, but I can believe.
I tell you more. And maybe you were younger. The time where glow plug becomes 2 seconds, 1 second and a half to be in 8. How to make it? I passed many nights in the factory to make it. I cut thousands of glow plug from there.
How much? Thousands, maybe 10,000.
To study it,
I know.
to study it every time, to keep the coil in the center. I think that they make it, they take a big strain, I see it's in center. Because sometimes when we buy the machine also from Bamula,
I see. You have really good effort on this glow plugs job, and I really appreciate you. You have my big respect.
now this is what they want. Now I can tell you, anything you have a problem in it, I can solve it for you very. I can say it to you. We were selling to Phoebe in Germany.
Sorry?
We were selling to Phoebe.
In Germany?
Yes. They are ordering from you?
Forget about
Okay.
it.
We were selling more than 1 million for them.
I know their capacity.
And you know their capacity.
Of course I
Yeah.
know.
We were all selling to all Russia.
And Russia, yes, right now we have the market.
I can tell you have the market. I can tell you, give you the name, not the name. We produce for them. I tell you funny things you will laugh about it. We produce for this country.
I can believe it for you.
Listen, we tell you 1 second. I tell you something to make you laugh. We put here. We don't believe that here in some Algeria can manufacture this one.
I believe in you.
Now you believe. Now you
Of course
believe.
I believe.
Some people.
I know the whole market, all the things for glow plugs.
But nobody here believes that his glow plugs is made in Algeria. Here, the Algerian
Because
countries.
they
I don't want to say some names here. I don't want to say some names here because some names here is very dangerous if I say it.
As some names also for me were dangerous.
Yes.
We talk one by one in the front of the door, and while we are smoking, I can maybe tell you there, but you won't believe me. Who is producer? Who looks like producer but not producer? different. You have much more capacity, but you don't have order for this capacity. So sell from Algeria to Turkey your machines.
Why I have to sell my machine to Turkey to produce in Turkey, and then the Algerian people will import from Turkey? Why you don't tell me, sell me the product on state of selling the machine? Okay, I'll tell you something. My friend told me, come to Turkey, you sell to all the world. I told them, no, I will stay here, and I will live with my people, my brothers here, telling me that you don't, oh sorry.
No.
They telling me, you are assemblyman. You know, here in Nigeria, people, they don't believe that I manufacture, you know that? And I still not answering people. Expand,
It doesn't make you. I believe. I really believe in you, sir. Just do you producing also this spark plug?
Yes. You want it? I give it to you.
Come Turkey and maybe collaboration with us.
Huh?
We can make a good company, maybe 10,000 square meter. Because
Yes.
we have money. I think you have money too, and we can produce this product because
We will make together.
maybe we are full of order. Maybe 6 months. How much?
Try this.
Just can you shut up the camera?
Yeah,
please?
shut up the
Really,
camera.
really, really.